Hello everyone. Welcome back to Yog Thermal Guru. On this channel, we learn temperature instruments, instrumentation basics, and industrial measurement concepts in a simple and practical way. Today's topic is very important for temperature recording and analysis. Data logger. In this video, you will learn what is a data logger, how it works, why it is used in industries, difference between data logger and temperature scanner. So let's start. What is a data logger? A data logger is an instrument used to measure, store, and record temperature data over a period of time. Unlike an indicator or scanner, a data logger does not just display temperature, stores temperature values with time. Simply put, data logger is equal to measurement plus storage plus history. Simple example, consider a cold storage room. Temperature must stay within limits. Continuous monitoring is required. Records are needed for inspection. A data logger records temperature every few minutes, stores data internally, helps verify temperature compliance. This is why data loggers are widely used. Working principle. Let's understand how a data logger works. Step by step. A temperature sensor, RTD or thermocouple, measures temperature. Signal goes to the data logger input. Logger converts signal into digital value. Temperature value is stored in memory. Data is saved with date and timestamp. This process repeats automatically at a set logging interval. Main parts of a data logger. A data logger consists of input channels RTD, thermocouple, or voltage. Signal conditioning circuit. Microprocessor controls logging. Memory stores data. Display shows current value. Power supply, battery or external. Some data loggers also have USB SD card, Ethernet or wireless communication. Types of data loggers. First, temperature data logger, dedicated for temperature, used in storage and transport. Second, multi-channel data logger, records multiple temperature points, used in furnaces and reactors. Third, portable data logger, battery-powered, easy to carry, used for surveys and audit. Fourth, online or network data logger, connected to PC, PLC or SCADA, real-time monitoring and storage. Industrial applications. Data loggers are used in cold storage and refrigeration, pharmaceutical industries, food processing, heat treatment processes, environmental monitoring, power plants. They help in quality control, audits and compliance, process analysis. Advantages: automatic data recording, time-stamped records, easy analysis, reduces manual logging, improves process reliability. Limitations: no direct control action, memory limitation, data retrieval required. Summary. Let's summarize. Data logger records temperature data, works with RTD or thermocouple, stores values with time, used for analysis and documentation. Data loggers are essential where proof of temperature history is required. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to Yog Thermal Guru. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.